Hey everyone, what's up? John Chow here, and today I have an unboxing and review of the Elk keyboard by Drop. Let's get started. Okay. Okay, opening the box, we see warranty card, as well as the function keys, what each key does. If you want to turn on the LED pattern, change the lights and stuff, or the okay. Keyboard, we'll put that aside for now. And inside the box, we see keycap puller, made nice one too, made of aluminum instead of plastic. And look at this, it comes apart to create a screwdriver. Nice. USB-C cable, looks like about 5 feet. This here is a switch puller to pull out the switches, and these are little riser feet to raise the keyboard to a more comfortable typing angle. Ooh, cap came off. Perfect. There you go. So, it's made of metal, solid as a rock. Absolutely no flex at all in the system. Yeah. And on this side, you can see the input for USB-C and USB-C. So you can attach the USB cable from either side of the keyboard. And so if you were to attach the USB onto this side, then this side becomes a pass-through. So this end, you plug in here, and then you can plug in additional stuff onto here, like a phone or an SD card reader or whatever. So that's kind of cool. The keys are floating. They're called floating keys. So it kind of looks like it's just floating in midair. Yeah, that's a key position. And on the back, you can see it's all metal, all aluminum. The standoff here, if you want to make it rise, you could just plug that in. And I know this is an update. The original Elk keyboard, the riser only had one magnet on this side, and then just a little piece of metal to insert there. And the first generation wasn't that strong when you put it on. When it came off easily, like it just knocked right off. So if you had the keyboard and move from side to side, sometimes it would just knock right off. But now I noticed they put magnets on both sides, so much stronger now. This will not come off from side to side movement. You can have it tilted this way, tilted up, or you could put the risers on this side, and then create a where the back is tilted up, which is kind of weird typing, but some people may like that. All right, so this is the keycap. And the cool thing about mechanical keyboard is that, you could, if you don't like the look, the colors, or the feel of these keycap, you can always replace it with something else. And this the Drop Elk keyboard allows you to also change the switch as well. Right now I have Cherry MX Blue switches. These are a tactile clicky switch, so they have a nice bump when you swipe it. And yeah, nice tactile feel, and it also makes a nice click sound too. So, but if I don't like it, I can use this switch puller, pull out all the switches and switch it to a different type of switch. So if I want a more linear switch, if I want one that doesn't make a click sound, I can switch it to like a cherry red or a cherry clear or whatever I want. So this keyboard is completely customizable. Ooh, look at that, lights right up. That's kind of cool. Not only do the keycap light up, but you can see also the size lights up as well. So really colorful. this will cycle through all the different colors and stuff. That looks kind of cool. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. All white. Wow. Nice glow to it. Nice. And I believe this will make it adjust the brightness. So you can make it none, make it brighter. And if you don't like these colors, you can always use the out drop software to create a custom colors. Okay, let's try a typing test and see how it sounds. It feels really good. The keys have a texture to it, and it feels kind of rough, but it provides a nice feel and friction. And the keycaps are has a nice concave, so when your fingers rest on it, instead of having like say my last keyboard here, compared to the totally flat, it doesn't have the same nice feel because it's totally flat surface. Whereas the out keyboard has a nice concave. It just feels a lot better. And the straddle is a little longer too, and I can really feel the tactileness. Yeah, you compare it to, yeah, way better, way better. The ALK is a 65% keyboard, so it has 67 keys instead of the normal 101 key. It's 10 keyless, the keys are missing. And if you want something compact that you can, well, I wouldn't say it's totally portable. It is quite heavy. Like the base is made of metal, solid aluminum, and you're not flexing this thing. It's really sturdy. The biggest thing I like about it, all these keys and these cherry blue switches, genuine cherry blue switches. Yeah, it feels so good. It feels so good. I really like it. But the cool thing is, if I don't like it or it makes too much noise for me, I could switch out the switch. And this is one of the very few mechanical keyboard where you can not only change the keycaps, you can actually change the switch as well. So this keyboard will literally last you forever. So if you want to change switch, you can change switch. You want to change keycap, you can change keycap. You want to mix and match, maybe have some keys make linear, no clicky sound, and some keys make clicky sound. You can just create a totally customized keyboard. The only downside I see is that it's not Mac compatible right out the bat. There's no command key, and so it's missing a few Mac switches. But you can reprogram any of the key using the drop software, so you can definitely add a command key and add all the Mac keys that you want. It's just to do a little bit more work. But if you already have a Windows PC set up, this is all ready to go. Now, the other downside is the price. This keyboard is not cheap. It starts at $200, depending on the switches that you use. With the cherry blue key, with the cherry blues, it came to $210. So I got it from Amazon, and I believe with some of the other keys, $200 to $210, depending on the switches you use. But if you're looking for a high quality keyboard that will last forever and pretty much indestructible, the ALK keyboard by Drop, it's a good choice. It's worth looking into. I like it a lot. And I suspect this is my new main keyboard, the one I will be using from now on. Links to the ALK keyboard by Drop is below this video. You want to check it out and pick one up for yourself. Good stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.